Hi students, now coming to the next topic, indentation commands in Python. First let us see what is indentation. Okay, indentation. Indentation is nothing but white spaces such as spaces and tabs to define program blocks. So indentation is nothing but that is white spaces. Okay, how will you give white spaces? Using space button and tab button from the keyboard. Okay, when you press space button or tab button, you will get some white space. Okay, when you give white spaces, the cursor moves from here to here. Okay, when you give again white space, it moves from here to here. Giving white spaces to program blocks is called as indentation. Okay, most of the programming languages such as Java, C, C++, these languages uses curly braces to define block of codes. Okay, what do you mean by block of codes? Block of codes means when we are declaring a class or functions or body of loop, we will use curly braces in these programs. But in Python program, no need to give these curly braces. In Python, instead of giving curly braces, you have to give white spaces. But you have to give same amount of white space for all statements. Okay. For example, in a C program, we are going to create a function. This is function. Within the function, you have to write block of codes. That means block of statements. Here write the block of statements. Here you have to write these statements within these curly braces. But in Python program, suppose you are going to create a function. This is a function, and next you don't need to give curly braces. Instead of giving curly braces, you have to give blank space. How will you give? This is one statement. This is another statement. This is another statement. See here, some white space is given here. Here also given some white space. These all three statements having same amount of white space. Okay, give same amount of blank space for all statements. Okay, so to indicate a block of codes in Python, you must indent each line of code by the same amount of white space. Okay, by giving this white space, the codes looks neat and clean, and it makes the codes more readable. Okay, so this is called indentation. Okay, next let us see about commands. What are commands? Let us see that. Okay, the commands begins with the hash symbol. The lines that begins with hash symbol is considered as commands, and it will be ignored by the Python interpreter. Okay, so whatever you are writing with the hash symbol, that is called commands. Okay, for example, I am writing one code, print hello. So this is a Python programming code. This is the print function. Okay, here I am writing one command. Commands always starts with the hash symbol. Okay, hash. This is a print function. See here, this is a code. This is a command. This Python interpreter takes this only for execution. It will ignore these commands. Okay, so this command is used for explaining Python codes, which means the programmers easily understand the program by the use of commands. Okay, so next point, it may be single line or multi lines. Okay, which means this is a single line command. Okay, if you want to write the commands in multi line, then what will you do? The multi-line commands should be enclosed within set of hash symbols. Okay, if you want to add another one line, it is used to print the string in the output. So this is multi-line command. You have to write this multi-line command within the set of hashes. Okay, this is one hash and in the end of this command you have to write another one hash symbol. Okay, otherwise if it is multi-line command you can give the hash symbol for each line of command. Okay, here. So Python ignores everything after the hash symbol up to the end of that line. You can insert commands anywhere in the code, but normally the commands can be placed at the end of the line. Okay, so this is about indentation and commands in Python. Thank you.